Hello guys, how to reset Notepad app on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If in your Windows system Notepad app not working properly, then you can reset or repair this. To do so, right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings in your system. Here from the left side on the setting page, click on apps. Thereafter go to right side and choose installed apps from the top of the page. And here look for Notepad app. Type Notepad in search field and click on three horizontal dot against Notepad app. Click on it and choose advanced options. Click on it and here scroll down and you will find the option reset. Scroll down. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device. Choose reset option and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. That's all.